welcome to Simmer Down. Today I am going to show you guys how to make a quick and easy snack. It's going to be a fruit salad, and the fruits that we're using is good to fight cancer, to prevent cancer, and to also help you with colds because it has vitamin C. Sometimes every now and then I want something sweet, but I know in my case I can't have processed sugar or anything like that. So I try to come up with creative recipes that is satisfying. It curbs my sweet tooth. Right here I have some mandarin oranges. I have 3 fresh mandarin oranges that I used. I actually peeled them and took the little strings that was like hanging off of the mandarin oranges. And then I have some raspberries, red raspberries. This is 6 ounces of red raspberry. I have a pint of blueberries, 16 ounces of strawberries, and I actually cut them in half. All of the fruits that I have here, I have thoroughly cleaned them before putting them in the bowl. Right? You can clean it with a little bit of lime juice and run some water on it, and you're good to go. All right. So all of these fruits I'm going to combine together and put it in this bowl here. Strawberries, 3 mandarin oranges, some raspberries, and then some blueberries. I'm going to mix this together. I have my gloves to mix the fruits together. Be gentle. You don't want to crush the fruits. Start from the bottom to the top. Now the raspberries are really soft, so they might crush a little, but that's fine. And I want you guys to know that after it sits for a while, it might create its own juice, and that's fine, okay? That's totally fine. So this is a simple mix, very pretty, very vibrant. So this is the yogurt that I'm going to use today, which is the Siggi's plant-based coconut blend. It has vanilla and cinnamon in it. You can see at the bottom it's vanilla and cinnamon. That's what's in this bowl right here. I'm going to take a little bit of this fruit and I'm going to top it on top. So here's some of the plant-based yogurt. I'm going to take about 2 spoons of the fruit. Actually, you can take as much as you like, but I'm just going to start off with 2 spoons. And I'm going to make sure I have enough different fruits in here. Maybe a little bit more. What you guys think? Let me put one more orange in there. There we go. So now I'm going to take a teaspoon of honey and I'm going to drizzle on top. But I'm going to really start off with a 1/2 teaspoon. This will take care of your sweet tooth. This is all you need. Simple salad. The best time to make this is when it's in season, which is during the summertime. Very colorful and extremely fulfilling. The yogurt alone is nice and thick. Although it's plant-based, it is still thick just like Greek yogurt. And it has that little hint of cinnamon, which is going to really truly take it to a whole nother level. But if you're going to like let's say a barbecue or some form of gathering and they want you to bring something, you can most definitely bring this fruit salad, and you can also put it in your little fruit punch bowls. And if you want it on salad, if you're making like I love to go to Chick-fil-A. They have a market salad that has all of these fruits in here on top of the salad with crushed, I believe it's walnuts on top. You can make a salad and just put this on top with some strawberry vinaigrette, raspberry vinaigrette, and you're going to be satisfied. This is my fruit salad, simple fruit salad, and I just want to take this time out to say thank you guys for joining me today on Simmer Down. If you like this channel, please click the like button, subscribe, and also click the notification bell to notify you when I have a new video out. until we meet again, please stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.